No, you're not asking for too much, but if you've landed on this video, you're likely settling for way too little. So if you're finding yourself in cycles and patterns where you're constantly feeling undervalued or taken for granted or receiving less than what you truly know you deserve, listen up because I'm going to share with you how you can start to flip the script on this. Number one, you're going to want to elevate your standards. So often women get stuck in toxic cycles of disempowerment, and they give their power away and they get used to receiving less than what they truly deserve. So they look outside of them and they see what they're receiving, and then they condition themselves to continue to settle for less or settle for crumbs, when in actuality, the world outside of yourself is just a reflection, and what you see reflecting back to you is a direct reflection of what you hold within yourself, of what you believe that you are worthy of receiving. So you cannot lower your standards to meet what you are receiving. This is a time to elevate your standards, elevate your values, and come into alignment with that, and give other people the space and the option to rise up to meet you. They either will or they'll spin out of your experience. Either way, you win, because what you're going to be doing is creating the sacred space for someone or something that is more in alignment with your truth to come into your experience. Number two, you have to stop overgiving, which means you have to stop trying to fix things. You have to stop trying to prove your worthiness. You have to stop trying to initiate everything. You just have to stop over-efforting and over-giving. Instead, you need to lean back into your feminine essence. When you're constantly in this over-giving and trying to fix everything, you are in your distorted masculine energy, and this is coming from wounded feminine energy. You have to be willing to lean back and own your worth and realize that you are the prize, and that it is a privilege and a blessing to be in your experience and in your energy. And you have to be willing to give people the space to prove that they are worthy of being in your space, in your experience, in your life, and in your energy. So you have to be willing to give people that space. So that means this clingy energy of chasing or trying to force things is out. You have to flip the script on that, lean back, take your power back, and allow other people to show their true colors. And then be okay with what transpires from there. Again, at the end of the day, you win, because as you create this sacred space, what is not in alignment for you will fall out of your experience, and what is in alignment for you will now have the ability to flow into your experience. Number three, you have to truly embody your divine feminine essence. So this is not a conceptual understanding. This is an intuitive knowing and an embodiment of the truth that you are a divinely worthy being, and that you are worthy of all that you truly desire in your life. The success, the love, the prosperity, the abundance, the joy, the freedom, the fun, all of it. You are worthy of that. And you have to fully know that intuitively in your heart, fully embodied in this truth. This is not something you can just say as affirmations. It's not something you can just think your way to. This is about fully embodying your true essence, your divinity. And so if this is resonating with you and you want to dive deeper with this, I welcome you to join me inside Embody the Empress, which is my divine feminine healing, awakening, and embodiment membership. And you can just drop the word embody wherever you're listening to this, and I will get you the details and drop you the link. And until next time, I hope this finds you well. Namaste.